Are you looking to improve your affiliate recruitment process and grow your business faster? PartnerStack is a powerful platform designed to help you do just that. In this video, I'll show you how to use PartnerStack to enhance your affiliate recruitment and boost your sales. Now, if you're new to PartnerStack, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through how it can simplify affiliate management and give you access to a vast network of affiliates. Plus, by the end of the video, I'll tell you how you can get an exclusive extended free trial. Make sure to stick around for that. PartnerStack is designed to streamline affiliate recruitment by providing a marketplace full of potential partners who can promote your product to the right audience. First things first, when you sign up for PartnerStack, you can create custom programs that align with your business goals. Whether you're looking for affiliates, influencers, or channel partners, PartnerStack helps you recruit and manage them all from one place. One of the biggest advantages of PartnerStack is the ability to automate affiliate tracking and commissions. This means you don't have to manually track sales or payouts, saving you tons of time and minimizing errors. With automated payouts and seamless integration with your payment system, you can focus more on growing your business and less on managing payments. Now let's talk about how to find the right affiliates. PartnerStack's marketplace is built for companies that are serious about growth. You can browse through a network of high-quality partners who already know how to generate sales. You'll be able to connect with affiliates who not only have the audience you want, but are also well-versed in driving revenue. But recruiting affiliates isn't just about numbers. It's about building long-lasting relationships. PartnerStack gives you tools to communicate with your affiliates effectively, keep track of their performance, and offer support when needed. You can easily manage your partnerships by offering the right incentives and bonuses that motivate affiliates to perform better. For someone just starting out, the beauty of PartnerStack is its ease of use. The platform's user-friendly interface means you don't need to be a tech expert to set up and manage your affiliate programs. You'll find all the tools you need to track, manage, and grow your affiliate network without the overwhelming complexity. Another standout feature is the detailed analytics PartnerStack provides. You'll have access to comprehensive reports that show how well your affiliates are performing. This data helps you make informed decisions, adjust your strategy, and scale your affiliate program efficiently. PartnerStack makes it simple to see which affiliates are driving the most sales, giving you the insight you need to optimize your recruitment efforts. PartnerStack isn't just about recruitment, it's about creating a scalable, profitable affiliate marketing program. From onboarding new affiliates to offering custom incentives, PartnerStack has everything you need to improve affiliate recruitment and foster long-term growth for your business. Before we wrap up, remember that PartnerStack offers an exclusive free trial, and with the link below, you can access this bonus along with some additional perks. This is a limited time offer, so make sure to take advantage of it. To sum it up, PartnerStack is a powerful tool that can completely transform your affiliate recruitment strategy. Whether you're a beginner or looking to scale, PartnerStack has the features to help you grow your affiliate program, save time, and drive more revenue. Don't forget to check out the link below for your extended free trial and exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.